That's a really bad impression.
Wait, are you taking this video? Because this is really entertaining me.
Why?
Take the video off.
Took a video before.
I was too busy pinning you down so she could get your face. Get him, girl.
Stop it. This one I'm locking it.
Maybe if you blow at her, she'll go away.
Blow away.